Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now, as the year comes to a close, it's easy to focus on big New Year's resolutions. But what if I told you that the small rituals you create in December could set a stronger foundation for your health and happiness in the new year? So today, we'll explore how herbal remedies and micro changes can make a big difference during the busy season. And I'll give you 5 simple herbal routines that you can choose according to what you need right now. So let's just dive in. So December is often filled with the hustle and bustle of holiday prep and end of year deadlines and social gatherings, right? It can be overwhelming, but creating small mindful rituals can help you feel more grounded and more energized. Now, these aren't just habits, they're intentional moments to care for yourself. So, I'm going to start with vervain leaves. Now, think about calming and uplifting herbs. Now, vervain leaves, which are known for their calming properties, they can help you unwind in the evening and prepare for restful sleep. Then there's ginseng root. Now, ginseng root, which I've got right here, can actually help to boost your energy. They're an adaptogen and they're great for mental clarity, making it perfect as a tea to boost and kickstart your mornings. So this combination is really good. Now, to use vervain, simply steep it, just 1 teaspoon of the dried vervain leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes and then enjoy it 30 minutes before bed for a calming effect. Now, for ginseng, the root would just need to be simmered and you'd need about 1 teaspoon of the dried ginseng root and steep it in hot water after having simmered it for about 10 minutes and drink this in the morning or the early afternoon to avoid disrupting your sleep. Now, these teas bring mindfulness into your day, whether you're energizing your mornings or winding down in the evenings. So they'll create a ritual that anchors you amidst the holiday chaos. And next I've got hibiscus flower and dandelion root. Now, hibiscus, which is this red flowering herb here, supports circulation and it reduces fatigue and helps manage stress. Whilst dandelion is great for stimulating the digestion and it supports the liver after heavy meals. Now, to use hibiscus flower, brew this in the morning or mid-afternoon to stay hydrated and energized. And all you need to do is use 1 teaspoon of the dried hibiscus flowers in hot water and steep for about 10 minutes. Now, with the dandelion root, you can sip dandelion root tea 20 minutes after meals to aid digestion. So to prepare the dandelion root, what you do is simmer it, just 1 teaspoon, in water for 10 minutes before drinking. Also, combining hydration with light movement, like a 5-minute walk after a meal with a cup of tea, improves your digestion and it reduces bloating and helps you stay grounded during the day, especially during busy days. Now, next I've got turmeric root. Now, turmeric root powder and marshmallow root powder make a great combination, and I'll tell you why. Now, turmeric root reduces inflammation and supports overall well-being, whilst marshmallow root soothes inflammation and supports overall well-being. Now, marshmallow root soothes digestion and it supports hydration. Now, here's how to use them. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric root powder to your milk of choice. And you can just make a warming golden milk and drink it in the afternoon. Now, you can drink marshmallow root tea in the evening to wind down, and for a simple brew, just steep 1 teaspoon of marshmallow root in hot water for 10 minutes. Now, these small acts of nourishment just ensure that you're constantly caring for your body and mind, preventing burnout and keeping you balanced. Now, all these herbs I've mentioned today are organic and they're available at naturalworkshops.com, and you can find well-crafted herbs there. And they're great, they're perfect for supporting your December rituals. So you can click the link in the description below, and to get started, get 50% off your first purchase. Now, please do join our Telegram group, because you'll get tips and recipes and support and connect with like-minded health seekers. And I'll add the link there so you can join now. So thank you so much for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on natural solutions for your well-being. So for now, stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.